Billy, tell us a little bit, what did you think about the wash?
It was good. Very detailed oriented. None of that blue beacon, let's hurry up and get everything done in 5 seconds. They actually pay attention to details. They don't rush, they take it. It's very much more of a somebody that takes care of riding their ride kind of truck wash. Not this is more for like owner operators versus blue beacon that thinks everybody's taking care of them. They don't care. I definitely will be coming back.
Billy, we appreciate that. I want to make sure you let me know what you think of this video. This video, once I get it, send it to you, take me about a half hour.
Yeah.
And then you'll get your whole wash through the process. Send it to your families, send it to your grandkids, let people see it. We want people to see what we do here at Speed Clean Truck Wash, and we want to thank people like you who give us a chance and opportunity. This was your first time here, right?
First time, and first of many.
First of many. I appreciate that, sir.
And if you ever talk to anybody that knows me, they tell you I'm a little bit truck wash forward, should I say, because I tend to get too many truck washes.
Well, that's good for us, especially if you like this one. And we'll make sure we get Diesel in there too.
Yeah, because that's my road dog. That's my best friend.
Absolutely. All right, Billy, we appreciate you.
Appreciate you.